Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you few shares where the insiders have bought the shares continuously. So the first one is Garnet Constructions. So if you see the Garnet Constructions, right, even see today I'm recording on February 11th. Even yesterday, that is 10th of February also, there is acquisition for around 2000 quantity. So if you see the dates, right, see this one, January, February, continuously the insiders have been buying the shares. So this has started during the COVID level. If you see, previously 2016 was the when the acquisition has happened. So after that, again you can see 2020 March, the promoter has started buying the shares. You can see here, promoter around like 1,50,000 quantity they have bought. Then after that, this has continuously continued. After March, you can see from December it has started again for less quantity, like small quantity. December continuously they have bought. You can see all the dates here, 11th, 15th, 16th. You can see this small quantity they have kept on adding. Even though price has kept on going up, they are not bothered about the price. They've just kept on adding. So you can see here next December, then again January also. So the price was around 19 average. Now it has come till 23. They have still kept on adding. And now from January till February also, that same thing has continued. See now, 24, 21, 26 also it has reached almost, and still they have kept on adding. And what is interesting is, on 13th February they are going to announce the quarterly results for this company, and it is 10th February and they have started buying in more quantities. You can see here. So I have invested some small amount of in this company, and I am waiting for the quarterly results. That is like day after tomorrow on Saturday. So 2 more days. So once the quarterly results is announced, I am going to look into the results and then analyze, and then I'll decide whether I have to invest more on this company or not. But for the fundamental analysis, whatever I have done, the company is good. Like it's not like the great or best or not, but it's currently good. They don't have any major issues. Only one thing which I found is the market capitalization. When you compare to other peer group, it's very small. You can see here. So other than that, like the results and all, if I see, or the depth, and then the quarterly results like sales growth, and even the promoter holding, everything is good actually. They've never announced the dividend, so that is one more thing, but that's fine. So overall, I found company is good. I'm thinking there is something definitely good results or some great news coming up, which is why the promoter have kept on buying the shares. So that's why, just looking into this kind of transactions, I have invested small amount, and I'm going to wait for the results. And after the results, I'll be deciding what to do. But I just thought of sharing this information with you guys, so you can also do analyze. Tomorrow also you have date. Today is Thursday, February 11th. You can see it. So tomorrow also you'll be having time to buy the shares if you find there's something really you need to invest into this share. So Saturday is the results. So you can make your own analysis, then decide whether you need to buy it or not. So I'm leaving the decision to you. So next, one more share is Brightcom Group. So this company has a lot of issues currently. Maybe I'll do another separate video on this company and all its issues currently, whatever they are facing. But if you remember, or you see my earlier video, I had recommended the share when it was around 5.5. That time also, the promoter had bought the shares. If you see this one, they had bought it at 7.1, and then it had gone till like 5.5 or something, and around 5.5 I had suggested this share. So after that, I have analyzed this company, and I've been analyzing this company a lot. So during the analysis, what I found is the fundamentals of this company is really good. What they are into is also very good, but the management is very bad. The way the company is performed, everything was good, but they have lot of issues, like more than like major issues are there, and now the issues one by one is getting resolved. And two more major issues is there. One is they have some dealing happening with Axis Bank. They have to settle the amount there through Axis Bank. That is one issue. And other issue is the promoters have like they have requested for preferential warrant, so the whole number of shares will be again more, that the like overall quantity will be getting diluted, which will be bad for the people who have already invested and holding the company in this company from long time. So I don't know why they are coming up, and that also they have issued that PW at just like 7.1, so that 7.7 rupees, something in that range. So that is one of the reason. So again, maybe I have not prepared for this completely. I'll again make a detailed video on this, but like I said, they have lot of issues. That is why the price currently is trading at this range, but the company overall is really good. So I again leave this to you. You decide after doing thorough analysis of this company, but I'm just showing you the company name here so that you can do the research. Again, one more company is Vian Industries. Here also you can see there was a market purchase recently from the promoter. You can see here for huge quantity. What is one good thing in this company is the price is really cheap currently. It's just below 1 rupee, and the fundamentals of this company is really bad, very very bad. But still I've just invested small amount. You can see the price, depending on that it's like pretty good penny stock actually. So I've just invested small amount of money. If it turns out to be good later, after a few years, then it will be a good return for me. So that's why I've just invested small amount, and this company also will be announcing the results tomorrow, so I'm looking forward for the results also. You can see here tomorrow they'll be announcing the results. So I've just bought few amount of shares, just taken a risk. Even I don't want any immediate return from that. Maybe for long term, if there's any change in this company, that time it will be useful. So I've just invested small amount. So overall, the major reason for making this video mainly is due to this show you about this company, Garnet Constructions. If there is anybody who have already done enough research, and you have already done any thorough analysis regarding this company, you can just let me know. You can see the price change. It just again became 25.60. From morning it's trading between 24 to 26. In this price range only it's trading. You can see it's opened at 24.50. It made a high of 26.50 and low of 24. So 24 to 26, that's the range it's trading it. I have added some good quantity, like I said, because on Saturday they are announcing the results, and promoter has been buying it continuously. So definitely there must be something good, right? But one thing you need to remember is, you can see the price chart for 1 year. It was trading around 5 rupees. So the price has already come up like 5x. Already it's in that kind of range. So it's really not a very good entry point actually for new people. But just like I said, you're right, since the promoter, even though price is keeping on going up, the promoter himself is keeping on buying the shares. So I just thought I can also take some risk, and I've invested some amount. Today I have bought some good quantity of shares in this company. Even though the price is at this range, I have taken little risk. So once the results are announced on Saturday, maybe after that I can decide, like I said. But you need to see this, and depending on risk and your analysis, you just invest in this company. I'll be coming up with more such content and more share and stock related news. Do subscribe to my channel if you like the content. Do leave your feedback in the comment section. So this is just my third video on the share analysis. I have done earlier 2 more videos on the share specific. You can check that in my playlist. I hope you liked it. Thank you guys.